Hey guys, I'm Greg with Quantum Machinery Group, and this is our 4x5 System 16 heavy-duty mobile lifting table. We're going to go over all this table's features and capacities. If you're interested in this table or any of our other welding tables, you can find us at weldingtablesandfixtures.com or click on the link in the video's description. This table is a System 16, which has 16mm holes with a 2-inch center spacing and is approximately a ½ inch thick. The top is made from through-hardened tool steel and is plasma nitration and bar coated for protection against weld splatter, rust, corrosion, as well as scratches. The mobile lifting table features large lockable casters. This lift table has a load capacity of 2,200 pounds. Features a powder-coated heavy-duty box frame and has a protection plate to keep spatter and dust off the hydraulic cylinder. Table height adjustment from 28-inch at its lowest and 39-inch at its highest with the foot lever. All of our System 16 accessories will work on this table, giving you endless fabrication possibilities. We thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We hope we could help you decide if this table is right for your shop. We also asked you to go on weldingtablesandfixtures.com, where you can find all the accessories and all the tables that we have to offer. We ask you to also follow us on social media, where we'll be doing giveaways and we'll also showing new products as well as customer builds. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe and keep on fabricating.
Quantum Machinery has you covered when it comes to premium metalworking equipment. From press brakes, shears, and ironworkers to welding tables and fixturing accessories, laser welders, roll benders, and cold saws. We also offer horizontal presses, ornamental machinery, rotary benders, custom tooling, and more. Explore the full lineup at quantummachinery.com.